In this lesson, we will be configuring BGP to connect to transit providers for internet connectivity. Our transit provider in this example is in AS1 and we will be in AS2. First, let's configure the interface connecting to the ISP router on tick 1. Go to IP, then Addresses. Click the plus sign and configure the IP of 20.1.1.130/30 and select the Ether5 interface. Next, go to Routing and then click on Filters. Good practice is to only advertise your PI or PA prefixes to the ISPs so nothing else is mistakenly leaked to the ISPs. Once you're in the Filter tab, click the plus sign. Under Chain, give it a name such as ISP-out. Under Prefix, enter in the prefix you wish to advertise to the ISP. In this case, it is 10.150.1.0/24. Under the Actions tab, select Accept for action and click OK. Next, click the plus sign again and create a discard entry for the same ISP-out chain to discard anything else from being advertised. Make sure the discard entry is under the first prefix advertisement as shown in the video. Go back to the BGP section, click on Networks. Click the plus sign and enter in 10.150.1.0/24. Uncheck the Synchronize box and click OK. Next, click on Instances. Double-click the existing default instance and change the AS to 2. Under Out Filter, choose the filter you created earlier. In this case, it is ISP-out. Under Router ID, enter in a unique router ID since we've used 2.2.2.2 for the router ID in a previous lesson for OSPF. We will use the same ID here as it's the same device. Click OK. Now let's configure our neighbor. Go to the Peers tab under BGP and click the plus sign. Give it a name such as Peer 1. Under Remote Address, enter in the IP address of the ISP you are peering with. In this lesson, it is 20.1.1.129. The remote AS is 1 and the out filter is ISP-out. Lastly, do not forget to update the AS to your ASN, which in this case is 2. As you can see, the session is now established. If you click on the Advertisements tab, you can see you are sending the 10.150.1.0/24 prefix to the ISP. To confirm on the ISP side, we can see in the BGP table that we are receiving the customer prefix as expected.